Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great and I'm back with a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can hide your mobile applications in the calculator. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to download this application from the Play Store called App Hider Lite. Once you have downloaded and installed the application, open it and then click on add application option. Now select the applications that you want to hide. Click on import apps. Okay, now the application is imported. So the next thing we need to do is to set up the password. So click on this lock icon. Click on setup pin now. Now enter your 6 digits password. Click on confirm. And that's it, your application is now hidden. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.